watching ABC7 Eyewitness News.
Coming up, it's all about tailgating. We're going to show you some delicious recipes. Oh yeah, to keep the party going. Looking good back there. We'll be right back.
Okay, hot dogs, hamburgers, grilled chicken, they are all part of any traditional tailgating party.
It's like, yes, yes, take that too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this morning we are talking about ways to add some flavor to your football party foods as well. Chef Charlie Beggs from the MustKetch Condiment Company is here. Nice to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you have all kinds of ideas, so I'm going to let you get started.
All right. Well, you know what? Companies hire me to make food craveable, make them
like
taste
that.
great. So that's what I'm going to do today.
You must have a fabulous job, so you just get to like go for it and then try it.
And today we're going to talk about tailgating.
Excellent. Okay.
So one of the best things you can do in tailgating is do a lot of preparation ahead of time so you can spend more time with your guests.
Right.
So today we're going to make a batch cocktail. And can you help me?
Oh, yeah, sure. Let's do
All
it.
right. Let's go ahead and pour this right in this pitcher.
All right,
Okay.
Stace, here we go.
I wouldn't say I'm an expert in this, but I do have some experience.
Yep. Yes.
Okay, I'm going for the whole thing,
Not
right?
that much experience.
Tomato juice. Okay, go ahead and add the, you're going to go ahead and add the horseradish.
Okay, horseradish, here we go.
And some salt and pepper.
Right.
Good.
All of this?
All of that.
Pepper.
Yep.
Okay.
Everything's pre-measured.
Okay, what's that?
That's a little Worcestershire.
Nice.
You put these off to the side.
Like Worcestershire.
And this is a little bit of the MustKetch.
Okay, so what is in the MustKetch?
You know, MustKetch is a combination of mustard and ketchup.
Yep.
And a bunch of unique spices. So it's kind of a proprietary blend.
Ooh, okay. Yeah,
And then,
Does it have a
ingredients.
smoky feel? What's the taste?
You know, we have one that's kind of smoky. We have one that's original that has all the components of a Chicago-style hot dog in it.
Oh my gosh,
You know, poppy
that's great,
seeds.
yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
And then the other one's zesty, so it's got a little bit of a spice to it.
Okay, which one is this one?
This one is the original.
Oh, excellent.
So here is an example, Bloody Mary.
Okay.
Nice.
These, you can add as much vodka to these as you would like.
Stacy. As much as you want,
I
Stace.
just have to ask though, is this a virgin one or is
This
there
is a
vodka?
virgin one.
Okay,
Okay, this is a virgin one.
So
Okay,
we
good.
can chug this.
All right,
That's
we
not
gotta
a
try this.
problem.
Yeah, try that, and then, you know, once you get your batch cocktails made
That's
and your
great.
guests get a cocktail, it won't matter how long it takes you to get the burgers ready and everything else.
That's so
Everything's
true.
going to run just fine.
All right.
So, all right, so that's our batch Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
Got it.
And what else do we have here?
You know, now we're going to make a chimichurri. This is another fresh ingredient.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to have you mix this. So go ahead and just start adding these
Put my
ingredients.
cocktail down.
Yep, put the virgin
Yeah.
cocktail down.
Oh, you can do it with one hand.
Tell us what this is.
That's a red wine vinegar.
Got it.
Okay. That's cilantro.
Yep. Garlic. No, this is actually, this could be cilantro, but this is parsley.
It's parsley. Oh, you know what?
This is funny because he has a
Gosh.
history of getting all
I have
the herbs
go.
misnamed.
stuff.
I have misnamed cilantro so many times.
little salt
on
and
this
pepper.
set, it's ridiculous.
Right. That's what I haven't
It's
even got mixed up.
parsley.
Parsley.
So
Okay,
that's
so you got
why
parsley.
it's good to have a chef with you.
Yeah, I
Not all the
totally
pressure's
agree.
on you.
I totally agree, Chef.
All
Okay.
right, so now we're just going to go ahead and mix some of this right in there with the shrimp.
Excellent. Okay, cool. Mix
right.
that all up.
And then you can see that we've grilled some of the shrimp here.
Right.
Looks
So
awesome.
once this marinates anywhere from, 30 minutes to an hour, you can bring this ready to go.
But while you
put it on the
continue to
grill.
work on that, let me tell everybody, we posted all the ideas that you could actually have here, where there's drinks, food. To create your perfect tailgate party, head on over to our website, ABC7 Chicago. Oh, don't stop.
Yeah, okay.
No, good. Yeah,
I'm just
this is
joking.
it.
Okay, we'll be right back after the break.
Thank
You're
you,
gonna continue
Chef.
cooking. We
Okay.
appreciate
Great
it.
ideas,
Thank
man.
you.
This is the way to do it.
Yeah.